Congratulations on making a smart choice with CleverlyBox. You've taken the first step towards revolutionizing your email marketing strategy. With CleverlyBox, you're already enjoying unparalleled ease of use, powerful analytics, and seamless integration. But why stop here? Imagine reaching even more potential customers with uncapped sending capabilities. That's right, more subscribers mean more opportunities to grow your business. Introducing our exclusive OTO1 plans designed just for you. These plans offer you the ability to scale up effortlessly as your subscriber base grows. So there's Plan 1, which boosts your reach for $37 per month, 10,000 subscribers, uncapped sending, advanced analytics and reporting. Plan 2, expand your influence, $47 per month, 15,000 subscribers, uncapped sending, priority customer support, and there's maximize your impact, which is $67 per month. That gets you 20,000 subscribers to store, uncapped sending, unlimited sending, exclusive marketing tools and templates. Whether you're aiming for an audience of 10K or ready to take it all the way up to 20K subscribers, there's a plan that's perfect for you. Why upgrade? More subscribers equal more opportunities and more sales. With each upgrade tier, you can send unlimited emails. You'll have access to advanced analytics that provide deeper insights into your campaigns, and enjoy priority customer support ensures you're never alone in the journey. Exclusive features as well. Not only do these plans allow for more subscribers, but they also do come packed with exclusive features designed specifically for businesses looking to scale rapidly and efficiently. Seamless transition. Upgrading is as easy as clicking a button, no complicated setups or downtime, just instant access so you can continue focusing on what matters most, which is growing your business. It's a special offer, and here's something special just for our valued customers like you. Upgrade within the next 2 hours and get the grandfather deal and discounted price for lifetime. You will never be paying over that price ever. This deal is just on this page, and you got it. Cheers.